Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is a good news is regarding the seat increment in private colleges, and there are totally 7 new private colleges got seat until now. Okay, so we are going to give you branch wise details about it and which are the new colleges and in which state they belong to. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, first of all please subscribe it. Okay, we have our Android and iOS application, and where you will keep on getting the some kind of like quick notifications for the counseling, and you can also purchase our paid counseling guidance. Okay, we understand that the counseling got delayed, but this is the right time for you to do the rest of analysis if you haven't done. And regarding NMC, when the time comes and it's clear cut implemented, then we will do the analysis about how it's going to impact your chances. Okay, you can also visit our website neetmentor.co.in and you can get the subscription over there, and you can join our Telegram group. It's a very dynamic Telegram group and very active. Okay, more than 16,000 members are there, and you can get sort of help from there for free of cost. Okay, so these are totally 272 seats are incremented in the private colleges, and for the clinical branches, this is the description. For radio diagnosis, 8 seats are incremented across all the colleges, and these details are available on NMC. Okay, so you can go over and check it. Okay, general medicine subject had got general medicine and pediatrics had got 33 new seats. In orthopedics there are 27 seats, general surgery 31 seats, ENT 18, anesthesia 24, ophthalmology 18, OBGY 18, dermatology and psychiatric medicine 13 each, emergency medicine 19, TB and chest 7. Okay, and some other branches have got seat incremented as well. So totally 272 seats got incremented so far, and as per the update we got officially from NMC. Okay, so it's not like just 272 seats got incremented. Many more seats will be updated on NMC portal, and that's why they have taken more time of 15 more days to give pending LOPs, and accordingly we can get the more seats, and I will keep you updating. When we talk about which are the new colleges in West Bengal, there are 2 colleges, iCare Haldia and Gauri Devi. These 2 colleges, or all of these colleges which you can see on the screen, had UG courses. Okay, so after getting like one batch completed, they got their approval for PG courses. Maharashtra, there is a new college, Vedanta Medical College. Okay, in Madhya Pradesh, RKDF, which had got just UG seat until now, they have got PG seats now. In Kerala, Sri Uttarandam Tirunal Academy, okay, and in Karnataka, East Point, Bangalore has got the new PG seats. So these are the new private medical colleges. Last year, if you remember, we had got 7 new colleges in Uttar Pradesh state itself. Okay, so the new colleges will keep on adding in government and private based on their approval. Okay, and the LOPs. So this process is still in pending and process in progress. Okay, so we will update you with the new seat increment, but it's good news that we have started to get new seats. Okay, in private colleges. So that's and regarding the when the counseling is going to start in all India, see, they postponed it up to 15th of September, but as per PTI, Press Trust of India, which is official sector, the counseling is going to start from 19th of September. Okay, in all India, and later on they will start for the state. The state might complete the registration, but the choice filling might also be completed before all India result. But the state will publishing their result after all India result is published, at least for round 1. Okay, so with this sort of detail, I just want to conclude the video, and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.